Hey there! So in today's explainer, we're going to go way beyond the basics. If you're ready to learn some really fun, unique, and creative ways to say good morning and good night, you are definitely in the right place. Let's get into it.
So let's just dive right in. Do you ever get that feeling that you're a broken record? You know, good morning, good night, sleep well. They're totally fine, but I think we can do better.
So our goal today is to arm you with a whole new set of greetings. Now, just a heads up, these are mostly for informal situations. They're absolutely perfect for using with friends, your partner, or your kids. It's all about adding a little fun to the start and end of the day. All right, let's start with the first part of our day, waking up. Here are some fantastic and kind of quirky alternatives to the classic good morning.
First up, we've got a true classic, rise and shine. It's just so energetic and cheerful, isn't it? It's really the perfect phrase to get someone motivated and hopefully out of bed with a smile on their face.
Now for one of my personal favorites, because, who doesn't love breakfast? Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. This one is super informal, really fun, and it's especially great for kids or, anyone who's a big fan of a morning meal.
The key part of that phrase, of course, is wakey, wakey, which is just this playful, cute version of wake up. You'll often hear it paired with sleepyhead, which is just an adorable word for someone who is still half asleep and kind of struggling to wake up.
Okay, this one is wonderfully quirky. It's such a gentle way to wake someone up. Instead of a loud alarm, it's just this simple, whispered phrase. It's kind of like a quiet little joke.
And here's the perfect example of how it's used. It's so playful, maybe a little mischievous. I'm not sure everyone would appreciate it first thing in the morning, but you have to admit it's definitely memorable.
Let's quickly run through a few more. You've got top of the morning to you, which is a really playful one, often used to mimic a stereotypical Irish accent. Then there's good morning, good looking, a sweet, slightly flirty option. A simple happy Friday is great for building excitement for the weekend, and morning has broken is a bit more poetic, actually borrowed from a famous song.
Okay, so we've started the day, now let's end it. Moving on to evening greetings, here are some really warm and cozy alternatives for good night. You might recognize this one. It's a famous rhyme that a lot of English speakers heard as children. Night-night all by itself is a very common, affectionate way of saying goodnight, and the whole phrase is just a charming, classic way to tuck someone into bed.
Ah, sweet dreams. You really can't go wrong with this one. It's simple, it's kind, and it's universally understood as a warm wish for a peaceful and happy night's sleep. A really lovely one to use.
This idiom creates such a great visual. It's a phrase you can use to describe how comfortable and cozy you are once you're all tucked into bed. It just sounds so comfortable, doesn't it?
And this little story just perfectly captures that feeling of being completely bundled up. The idea is you're so tightly wrapped in your blankets, just like a bug in a rug, that you're perfectly warm and secure.
Now for some more fun idioms. These are the kinds of phrases you can use to announce that you're ready for bed. Let's check out a couple of popular ones.
So you've got these two idioms, to hit the sack and to hit the hay. And they're really similar. They both just mean it's time to go to sleep. The only real difference is where they come from. Sack refers to an old-fashioned mattress or pillow, while hay comes from the bedding used for farm animals.
Okay, this is a brilliant piece of British slang. It's a pun, right? It's playing on the name of an actual county in England, Bedfordshire, which of course has the word bed right in it. It's a very clever way to say you're off to sleep. And this is just a perfect example of how language can be so personal and regional. If you're actually from Bedfordshire, well, the phrase doesn't quite work, which is a pretty funny little quirk.
And here are two final humorous ways to sign off for the night. It's time to start counting sheep refers to that classic mental trick for falling asleep. And I just love this one. I have an urgent appointment with a bed and a pillow. It's such a funny, kind of formal way to say you're exhausted and need to sleep right now. So we've just covered a whole range of creative, fun, and quirky greetings for morning and night. Now it's your turn to actually put them into practice.
So, which one are you going to try first? Are you going to go with a cheeky wakey wakey eggs and bakey tomorrow morning? Or maybe a cozy night-night sleepyhead tonight? Pick one and just give it a try. It's such a great way to make your daily interactions just a little more interesting. Thanks so much for joining this explainer.